Okay, so today we're going to talk about the volume of a cylinder. This whole chapter is going to be about volume. So in this it says that the volume of a cylinder is the base area times the height. And because it's a circle, the base area is going to be the area of a circle. So actually it would be volume equals area of a circle is pi r squared times the height. So this right here turns out to be the formula that we will be using to find the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so it says find the volume of the cylinder and round to the nearest tenth. That's 1 decimal place. So we say the volume equals pi times r squared times h. Pi, we're going to use 3.14 for that. The radius is halfway across the circle, so 3 squared. And the height is 6. So you're basically just using your calculator to multiply these numbers together. So 3.14 times 3 squared times 6 turns out to be 169.56. But it says to the nearest tenth, so we're going to stop right here. So the volume would be 169 because this is larger than a 5, we're going to round that one up to the next higher. So it would be 6 and then meters cubed. Volume is always cubed because it has 3 dimensions, length, width, and height. So 3 dimensions, cubed, answer. Okay, on this one, we're given the volume this time, and we want to find what is the height. Oh, my h is missing right there. So we're still going to use that same formula. Volume equals pi r squared times the height. And in this case, we know the volume is 314. We know pi is 3.14, and r is half of 10, which would be 5. So we do a 5 here, and then height. So to solve this problem, we're going to do this part first, simplifying our equation by doing the multiplication that can happen. 3.14 times 5 squared is 78.5. Okay, but we still have 314 and we still have the h. To solve this problem, we're going to just divide by 78.5. Divide by 78.5. So 314 divided by 78.5 is 4. So the height equals 4. And then your question would be 4 what? And here you see this says inches cubed, this says inches, so our height would be 4 inches. All right, so here's a couple for you to try. You can pause the video, see if you can get the answer, and then come back and check. All right, so for number 1, putting the stuff in that we know, we end up with 753.6 feet cubed. Number 2, solving, we simplify the right side to get 50.24. So we divide 176 by 50.24 and we get 3.5 centimeters. Good, I hope you did that right. If you have questions, you can text me or email me and we'll talk.